You know, I was thinking, we do all this QCing here and testing everything before it leaves to make sure everything's cool, but maybe we should show you guys where the real magic happens with our headphones.
I do very important work here at Abyss. Much more important than those guys over in engineering. Do you think that they could align this headphone with your chakras by using a CNC machine? I don't really think so. Is your favorite artist already passed? Well, lucky for you, I can channel their spirit into your own headphone. Doesn't get more alive than the afterlife. So the next time you're wearing an Abyss headphone, know that your chakras are completely aligned with the moon and the stars.
Man, that really smells strong today. That one must have really needed more alignment.